Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this stainless steel double hot plate. This thing is really nice because you can take it with you. It is just a portable stovetop. So if you're going out camping, these are great. You're doing any canning, like I like to go outside and do my canning just to keep the heat outside. But this is really nice because it also works with all sorts of pans. So you don't have to have a certain induction top pan ready for this. And it's very easy to clean. It's 1800 watts total, so each one of these burners is 900 watts. And then it just plugs into a standard 110 outlet. So it is a very clean surface. Looks like it'd be pretty easy to clean off. And it's got two little knobs here to be able to turn on the heat. So let's get it plugged in and we will try it out. It does have a seal on here that says that they could smoke for the very first time that you use it. So turn it on and let it sit on high for 3 to 5 minutes and let all that burn off. That is a normal thing. So they just put that on there for you. So we've got it turned on here and then we will add on our pans. All right, I've had this on for a little bit now and I can feel the warmth coming off of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put an egg on here and we will watch it cook. It's already pretty hot in there. It's only been a couple minutes since I had it on. So just like any other electric stove, it's gonna take a little bit to heat up, but I mean, it's going pretty quick. I like how it's small. You can easily take it with you. It'd be a nice thing to take traveling or just have as an outdoor stove.